Go away, Hiccups. I have keys. You don't want to mess with me when I've got keys. Bye. Hey! I'm gonna sit! Ah! This is probably gonna aggravate him. Whoa! That was a big one. I warn you. Go away, you damn Hiccups. Oh, fuck. I warn you, Hiccups. I will not let you kill me. You probably won't kill me, but I may be over-exaggerating. Like the swine flu. Maybe these will keep me protected. There. Now you can't get to me now, Hiccups. I have sunglasses. And apparently you can get to me. Come on, Hiccups. Bring it up! Yo, obviously winning right now, Hiccups. Okay, Hiccups. Do your best. That's it? Yes, we're going to do that. Wait, oh. Damn you. Oh. That's a lot better now. Dive bomb! That didn't work. Hey, it worked.